Hello, sir. Welcome. Hi, John. Great to have you. Hello. And, ma'am, why don't you come there? First of all, there's the noise for John. Oh, you all love Johnny Black. Yeah, John, it's all yours.
Hi guys, how you doing? First of all, it's really encouraging to see you guys here, so thank you. Sweet. I'm here for a very special reason. Radhika and Mr. Dilip Piramal here have this very, very beautiful company called Skybags, which I am a part of. I am a traveler, and I'm sure most of you guys are going to travel at some point in your life, right? Right, so I'm not going to do an endorsement here because I've already done that and I've done the, most of the ads that I'm supposed to. But all I can say is that it's an honor to be associated with people that are so special. And I think at some point in your life, you're all going to be associated with people that are going to make you go forward as a person. So I'm standing here with two very, very lovely people and a bag that, a suitcase that I travel with when I travel abroad or when I travel even in India. I am an outdoor person. I love football. I love motorcycling. I love a lot of things in life and I'm very outdoorsy. So I take my sky bag and I travel around. It's a bag that I honestly, with no disrespect, I throw around and it doesn't break. It's light. And for most of you out here, just like me, because I come from a very basic middle class background. And for me, I understand the cost of things. This bag is very, very, very affordable. It's stylish, it's urban, and I'm sure each one of you is going to enjoy it once we kind of open this bag right now. Okay? Great, guys.
Thank you.
So,
You want to carry on with the...
we'll carry on with the unveiling.
No, yeah. We'll request John now to unveil our bag, and this product is being launched here today, available at Big Bazaar. This is our brand new collection called New York, and John, may I ask you to do the honors of unveiling it, please?
I'd like Mr. Dilip Piramal to come on one side and yeah. Come, Radhika.
Thank you, I'll take the mics.
That's the New York collection. Hey, here's the noise go! John, hello. I think we can... All right. There it is, a lady managing a brand, one of India's most hottest songs, and one of India's most premier businessmen. There is the team that takes Skybags forward. All right, you on this? We'll have the media, the open house. सब एक ही टीम है. And John, which is one travel destination that you will run away to with your bag? One.
Well, I love traveling to a number of spots, but the place I'd like to go now is next year to Brazil. I love football. I want to go for the World Cup finals. So Skybags are large enough, and I've tried it. I love Barcelona as a football club, and I've put a Barcelona football in a Skybag, and I've got it back. So Brazil is the place I'd go to.
Okay, with this, we open the house to the media for questions. If there's a mic around, you can have one more from me. We also have Radhika ma'am here.
Hi, John. To your right. Hi, this is Zuhaib. Hi. You're looking dashing and quite perfect start. So, John, how do you think? What do you think? Bags as a fashion statement. Means, how do you just think about the bags as a fashion statement? Do you think?
Well, I think your accessories are always statements that you make. These Skybags are very contemporary. They're very urban. They're absolutely light. And, very honestly, I don't want to sit here and speak about only a particular brand that I endorse, but the product category is something that excites me. Because I'm a traveler, I always wanted to be associated with a travel company in terms of luggage. And I promise you, it's a complete honor to be associated with Skybags. Not only because of the brand, but because of the people associated with it. It's a lot of fun, so I enjoy this space. And Radhika here, things young, things contemporary, things urban. This line is called New York, so you understand where we're coming from. We want to reach out to youngsters like these handsome guys and beautiful women out here who are college students who are going to be travelers of tomorrow. So this is a perfect brand for them.
So, John.
We are always looking at ways to make VIP industries remain contemporary and modern to appeal to India's youth. And we really appreciate John's association with us. He is rugged, he is modern, dynamic, very stylish, and these are all the attributes of Skybags brand. which has these terrific colors to make it even more stylish. So the combination of style and ruggedness is with Skybags and also with John.
Hi, John, this side.
So
Hi.
John,
John, are you a very brand conscious person? Here, towards your left.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Hi.
Hi. Are you a very brand conscious person or a random shopper?
Well, I'm not really a brand baby as far as my clothes are concerned. I don't wear too much. I keep it light, and I'm conscious about brands which last long. And for me, I think it's really bad for Skybags in a way, because I've got one of their bags. I don't think I'll need another one for a long time. It just lasts and lasts and lasts. And I actually take one, at least domestically around here. I take one Skybag and I go around.
I think for you what matters is the quality. What you like about brands is if
Absolutely.
they have good quality, then you like it.
well, John, John, this way, right. You just told that you are quite a nomad person, you just travel a lot. Huh? So where are you planning with this brand new Skybag?
Well, the perfect place would be New York, because it's the line's New York. But like I said, I want to go to Brazil because of the World Cup football. And I love football, and I want to go and see it there, and take a bag that's absolutely light that I can travel with. It's got great rollers. Throw it in the room because it's light, and go and enjoy my matches. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Any more questions? Okay.
Hi, John.
Hi.
I am Mayur from Times Now. I've seen the Skybag ads quite some time, and I must say this is like a really good bag. You know, it not only enables a woman to cheat on her husband, but even for the guy to get away.
Yeah, you're right.
So, are you kind of advocating infidelity with this bag?
No, I'm actually advocating the features of the bag, if you see the ad properly, because what happens is the husband gets so distracted by the features of the bag that he forgets that his wife has been cheating on him, or this guy has been cheating, has been with his wife behind his back. So what we do is just accentuate the features of the bag and nothing else.
So, I guess if the husband realizes that his wife is cheating, you can throw the bag on the husband and run away.
Say yes. Who said say yes? Well,
I think the husband should be smart enough to always think of ways to keep their wives happy. Then there would be no question of cheating.
Yeah, but even if I did throw this bag, I was just thinking, I don't think this bag would really hurt anyone. I promise you, I'd love to throw this at you, but I mean, not in any way, but they're lovely bags. They're really lovely bags, and I think that's the beauty. They don't hurt anyone. And I really wouldn't want to hurt any wife's husband.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Come on, we're open to the last question of the day. I'll ask you.
Yeah. Well, Radhika, John just told me that he likes light bags and all that. So what was the qualities you people have selected him as a brand ambassador for your company?
The best things about John are his sense of style, his honesty, hard work, and when I say hard work, the way it translates to a bag is how rugged and strong the bag is. So for us here for Skybags brand, the bag should look young, appeal to the youth, it should be strong, it should be very good looking with vibrant colors, and I think that's why this brand and John have such a good association.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys, and I think there's a competition after this, so we'll hang on for that and enjoy the mall. It's a beautiful mall.
John, we'll move on to the contest very shortly, but a few members of the media want to take a one-on-one bite with you. So, for the one-on-ones,
वेल मैं यहाँ पे स्काई बैग्स एसोसिएशन के लिए आया हूँ. मैं इस ब्रांड को एंडोर्स करता हूँ और मैं पैदाइशी एक ट्रैवलर हूँ. मुझे ट्रैवलिंग बहुत पसंद है और जब भी ये ब्रांड मुझे ऑफ़र हुआ था, जब भी मैं राधिका से मिला, राधिका पिरामल से मिला जो इस ब्रांड के सीईओ है, मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी बैग्स मिले ट्रैवलिंग के लिए और मैं ज़्यादातर ब्रांड्स पे कम कंसंट्रेट करता और ड्यूरेबिलिटी पे ज़्यादा. ये ब्रांड्स बहुत ही ड्यूरेबल हैं, उनकी जो लुक है वो बहुत ही अर्बन है, कंटेम्प्रेरी बैग्स है. और आज जो लाइन मैंने लॉन्च किया वो लाइन का नाम है न्यूयॉर्क. तो मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ क्योंकि पहली बार मैं इन नए डिज़ाइंस को देख रहा हूँ एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली एक्साइटेड अबाउट एंडोर्सिंग दिस ब्रांड. सॉरी जी, आई ट्रैवल अ लॉट और या जी मेरे बैग के अंदर मैं ज़्यादातर मेरे टॉयलेटरीज रखता हूँ. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ओरल हाइजीन या शैम्पू, कंडीशनर्स या फेस वॉश या बॉडी वॉश, सबसे ज़रूरी वो होता है. उसके अलावा मेरे वर्कआउट के जो कपड़े हैं वो रखता हूँ, वर्कआउट शूज़. उसके अलावा जो मेरे हर रोज़ के कपड़े वो बहुत कम रखता हूँ क्योंकि आई लाइक ट्रैवलिंग वेरी लाइट. थैंक यू. स्टाइल डेफिनेटली ज़रूरी होता है कि एक बैग को कंटेम्प्रेरी होना ज़रूरी होता है. स्टाइल, डिज़ाइन, अगर हम गाड़ी खरीदते हैं तो हम डिज़ाइन देखते हैं, तो वाई नॉट हैव द सेम थॉट प्रोसेस फॉर अ बैग. और मैं मानता हूँ कि जब भी हम लोग सभी जाते हैं बैग सूटकेस खरीदने को, हम कलर देखते हैं, स्टाइल देखते हैं, ड्यूरेबिलिटी देखते हैं, सब कुछ देखते हैं. एंड आई थिंक VIP Sky Bags has it all. So I really enjoy endorsing this brand. जी, अक्सर बैग्स बेल्ट्स पे डैमेज होते हैं. जब भी आप एयरपोर्ट से आते हो तभी हैंडलर्स बैग्स को फेंकते हैं और वहाँ पे डैमेज होते हैं. सो समटाइम्स दे गेट डैमेज. लेकिन इस बैग के साथ फॉर्चुनेटली, और यही मैं कहता हूँ कि इस बैग को आप कहीं पे भी फेंको, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट बिकॉज दिस बैग टेक्स केयर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. थैंक यू.
Just one question.
What's the answer? Hold on, we have one. All these gifts that are inside John's Sky Bag are sponsored by Big Bazaar. One more. Give me one more. One little guy, one little boy. What's inside his bag? What's inside John's Sky Bag? Shoes is already been...
We said that, yeah.
Wait, hold on. Okay, I think we're done with 5. No, not happening. One more. Okay, tell me. Food it from? What do you drink it from? What do you drink it from? What do you drink after? Come on stage. Water bottle. Give it a big round of applause. Here we go.
I'm going on stage.
That's a t-shirt. That's a shoes. Who gave the
Side
okay, There's one more lady there. One more, yeah. to this side, John, sir. Yeah. She jumped higher than all the ladies in the crowd. And her husband was like pushing her there, and yes, I was like, I couldn't. क्या अच्छा था मैं क्या अच्छा मजा में These prizes are sponsored by Big Bazaar, and that was inside John's New York Skybag, the New York Series 2013, the New York range. Okay, and I believe Namrata. Yeah, you were there with the Big Bazaar. Hold on, just come up. Here we Okay, we have no ambulances right now, so okay, I'm kidding. Okay, what now? We are done. Hold on. Can I have the regional managers, Big Bazaar? Dia. Left, please. Thank you. Any more RMs from Big Bazaar? Up on stage, the team. The ones who... आपको अगर स्काई बैग लेना है तो बिग बाजार जाना
Running.